Now this one's a little different. Basically, we're not going to multiply these together. We're going to do these separate. And since this one's already an x squared, I'm just going to go right to 0. X squared minus 4x plus 13 equals 0. That is not going to factor, so x is going to equal, let's use the quadratic formula, negative b, which in this case will be 4, plus or minus the square root of b squared, 16 minus 4ac. So minus 4 times 1 times 13 is negative 52 all over 2a. 2. So that's going to be 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 36 over 2. That's going to be 2 plus or minus, an I would come out for the negative, and the square root of 36 is 6. So I'm sorry, this is the 4 yet. And this will be plus or minus 6I over 2, so we can reduce that to 2 plus or minus 3I. Got those two answers. Now I need to do this. Well, the only factor here is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 10, 5 times 12, 4 times 15, 3 times 20, 2 times 30, and 6 times 1. We have all these possibilities. Those are the possible rational zeros, plus or minus. Oops, I forgot to do that plus or minus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. Hopefully you remember your factoring so you can find all those factors without too much trouble. What do we want to try? These keep getting bigger. Let's say we try a 2. So I'm just working with this one. So 1, negative 4, negative 17, and 60. 1, 2, negative 2, negative 4, negative 21. That's not going to work. They need to be bigger. Let's try the 3. 1, negative 4, negative 17, and 60. 1, 3 times 1 is 3, negative 1, 3 times 3, negative 3, negative 20, and 3 times negative 20, negative 60. All right, it worked. And this is x squared minus x minus 20 equals 0. Oh, that factors into x and x. How about 5 and 4? Minus 5 and plus 4, that would give me my minus 1. So x equals 5 and x equals negative 4. This 30 had worked. So we've got the 2 plus or minus 3i, we've got that. Now we also have 3, 5, and negative 4. So 2 solutions from here and 3 solutions from here. We have all these solutions.